Dearest of friends, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods, and today we're going to be making a pumpkin cheesecake. It seems quite the appropriate thing for these chilly months of the onset of winter. So let's get started, and we'll start by making an alive crust, and we'll do that with we'll start with our wonderful pumpkin seeds. These are grown by a farming family in Oregon, alive organic pumpkin seeds. Note how different they are from the so-called organic pumpkin seeds that you buy in the store. They're a dark green. They all come from China. These come from Oregon. The pumpkin, of course, originated here, a Native American food. So here we go. We'll put some pumpkin seeds there. And then with the pumpkin seeds, we'll also add some walnuts. These are our alive organic walnuts grown by a family farmer here in California. We're so proud of them. They're beautiful. And let's go ahead. Okay. And now we'll add our alive organic almonds grown by the Kortoff family, 5 generations on the land. They have 70,000 almond trees, if you could relate to that, and grow over 1 million pounds of almonds each year. So let's add some alive organic almonds to the mix. Okay. And now how are we going to bind it all together? We're going to bind it all together with our glorious medjool dates, also grown here in California in the southern half. And these medjool dates are just gorgeous. It's a privilege and pleasure to work with them. I have chopped them up, as you see. So the medjool dates, we're going to be using this to bind everything together. Okay, so okay, that should do it. So let's scoop out our alive organic crust and put it in the pie dish, which you note I have put in a parchment liner. Okay. Okay, so here we have our crust, pumpkin seeds, walnuts, almonds, and medjool dates. And we're going to put this in the freezer while we go ahead and make the filling. Now to the filling. And filling, why not start with a banana, organic, but of course. So here we go. Okay. Okay. So here we have a banana. Let's give that. Okay. And now, you've guessed it, our alive organic cashew butter. Let's give a couple heaping tablespoons. Okay. And now, how about some medjool dates? These are chopped medjool dates. They're simply glorious. A privilege and pleasure to work with them. Grown by family farmers here in California. So medjool dates for sweetness. What could be more organic than that? Okay. And last, you've guessed it. How about a sugar daddy pumpkin grown here in California, but of course, almost there. Let's add some maple syrup. This is our Vermont maple syrup. And how some Call of the Wild honey. And how about some Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt? And a little bit of spring water to help it bring everything together. Okay. It looks like we've made the filling, pumpkin cheesecake filling, and now let's bring out our pie crust. And now here, aren't the colors magnificent? So here we have our pumpkin cheesecake, and as you saw, the filling consists of bananas, cashew butter, medjool dates, and pumpkin, and a bit of Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. And now let's be creative and decorative, and let's decorate it with some pistachio pieces, or rather pecan. Okay, so here we have it. We're going to put this in the freezer for a few hours, and then it will be ready to serve, alive and organic. We have got to emphasize streaming, vibrant, pulsating flow, especially in times such as these. Let us go forward, brothers and sisters. My privilege to share. You might want to hit the subscribe button and even give us a like. Your comments are treasured by us. Let us go forward, my dear friends.